move.
Yeah, dude. Dude. Look how deep these cars are, man.
After the storm, rescuers searched for victims by digging through the mud and debris left behind by devastating landslides that mostly hit poor hillside communities. Experts say the heavy rains are exacerbated by climate change. The flooding rivers have forced 500,000 families to flee their homes, according to the state government. Several roads and highways were also blocked. On Sunday, Doria looked into aerial damage before announcing that he was allocating 15 million reais, $7 million, to help the 10 hardest-hit cities and 645 municipalities in Brazil's most populous state, home to 46 million people. The heavy rains coincide with the La Niña event, which typically occurs every 3 to 5 years and results in cooler than normal temperatures in the Pacific Ocean and affects weather patterns around the world. Heavy rainfall is typical of the region, especially during the Southern Hemisphere summer, from December to March. But with climate change, the rains are getting stronger, experts say.